In this video, I'm going to show you how to add end screens to your YouTube videos in 2020. So all you need to do is go to your YouTube Studio on your desktop device and then click on one of your videos. Click on the details icon right there. And then this should take you to the edit section. Now right there, you can scroll down and then right there at the right side of your screen, you'll see it says end screen. Click on end screen and then it will load this like pop-up menu, I guess, where you can add end screens. So you can select these templates or you can do this manually. I recommend adding these templates. So simply just click on it and then it adds a template. You can then click on that right there and then you can select which video you want. So you can choose most recent upload, best for a viewer, or a specific video. So click on specific video if you want to, and then you can select one of your recent uploads. Now that's pretty much how you can add end screens to your YouTube videos on YouTube. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.